Hi everyone, I'm Shahra Jafar. I'm the head of Foundation Studies here at Curtin University. I'm here to give you a little bit of insight about what is foundation and why do you have to do it. A foundation program is a faster pathway for your undergraduate comparatively to your high school degree. It is also very career specific so that you build your skill according to your career interest. It is also very hands-on, which means you won't be sitting in the class just listening to theories but also do a lot of practical work that keeps you engaged while you learn new skills as well. That being said, one of the important part is the pass rate. The students who go from foundation to undergraduate have higher pass rates than the ones who has a direct entry to the undergraduate. The reason being, students get much more comfortable with the university environment beforehand, which helps them have an easier transition into the undergraduate than the students who come directly from the high school. So to know more about foundation programs and the other programs Curtin University offers, I highly recommend you all to visit our open day. Thank you.